Hi, I'm North Carolina attorney Sam Moore. Today I'll be talking about expunctions. Here's a simplified definition. Expunction removes a court case from the state's records. In North Carolina, only certain types of cases can be expunged. Number 1, dismissals. Number 2, findings of not guilty. Or number 3, certain convictions. The first two types are easy. If your case was voluntarily dismissed by the state, dismissed by the court, or dismissed pursuant to a deferred prosecution or conditional discharge arrangement, it can be expunged. If you were tried in a court of law and found not guilty, your case can be expunged. The third type is a bit more complex. The first and most important piece of information is this: you can only have your most recent conviction expunged. We can't expunge your record.
What you talking about, was?
Before you try to have a conviction expunged, make sure the following prerequisites have been met. It's got to be a Class H or Class I for a felony, or a Class 1, 2, or 3 for misdemeanor. It's got to be non-violent. The applicable waiting period must have passed. That waiting period is, for one misdemeanor, 5 years must have passed since the end of your punishment, whether that be probation, active time, or post-release supervision. For multiple misdemeanors, the waiting period is 7 years. For one felony, the waiting period is 10 years. Remember, no subsequent convictions. The classification and waiting periods are pretty self-explanatory, but what makes a conviction non-violent? A non-violent offense is any felony or misdemeanor, except Class A through G felonies, Class A1 misdemeanors, an offense with assault as an essential element, an offense requiring registration as a sex offender, stalking, dissemination of obscene material to a minor under 16, indecent exposure, peeping, certain other offenses related to sex offender status, drug offenses involving methamphetamine, heroin, or cocaine, certain offenses involving racial intimidation, poisoning food, breaking or entering with intent to commit a felony, a larceny, or to terrorize or injure an occupant, any felony where a commercial motor vehicle was used in the commission of the offense, or any impaired driving offense. If you have something on your record that you think can be expunged, or if you have questions about something I didn't cover, give us a call. And remember, arrested doesn't mean guilty.